she worked out pretty good. And I love this color, y'all. It's like it's giving fall. So this hair is from Urgirl. Y'all see the name, hair, and all the information on this hair will be down below in the description box. So please feel free to check it out if you're interested. I'm showing you all right now what came inside the box, and it also came with like this little informational little pamphlet, so you can always read that. But this is the hair. This is how she looks straight out the box, y'all. So pretty. The color is so vibrant but yet subtle. Like, it's not gonna give you too much of a bold dramatic color because it's more on like the warm side. So this is what it's looking like. These are the knots. It is lightly plucked and it's really ready to put on. I'm going to go ahead and use my LiQWYD gel. I like to use it around my hairline to kind of brush back those baby hairs so they're not in the way and they won't be sticking to my lace, because I do not do a ball cap method. It's okay if I don't, but this is what I do. I'm just going to put that cap on and slightly slide it back, and that's it. So this is my first look at this lace and what it's looking like. I'm just going to see, do I need to be adding a little bit more foundation or tinting the lace? It looks good so far, but I do know I need to go in and add a little bit of my foundation shade on this lace. I wish I had my even lace tint, but I don't. But if you do not have that, you can just go in with your foundation shade and it'll be okay. After that, I then go ahead and clip up the hair so I can go ahead and cut these ear tabs off. Y'all, the ear tabs be giving me some struggle, honey, but it's starting to get a little bit better. And I'm literally just trying to follow like the line and close to my ear, and it works out. Go ahead and cut you 2 slits because it'll help with application and cutting the lace off once it's melted. I'm using my even wedding lace in the black tube. That thing was hard to take loose, y'all. Like, and my Incredible Hulk. But spray a little bit on the lace and then spray some along the front of your hairline, kind of slightly above it, and you're going to be good to go. Y'all, this spray does dry fast. I went ahead and did 2 layers. So I went ahead and fanned the first layer. Dollar Tree, y'all, $1.25. And then I went in again and sprayed a little bit more. But now I'm just pulling her down. One thing about the spray, it is less messy than using like that LiQWYD gel throughout the whole line. I do go in and go ahead and spray on top where the hairline would be. This also helps with the, you know, the melting application. So go ahead and do that along with the whole front hairline of this wig. I let that sit for a few seconds, and then I go in with the lace band and let her melt on down. So while you have this lace band on, you can kind of get a feel for this hair. If you need to go in and straighten it, you can straighten it. If you want to curl it, you can curl it. This is a great time for that. This hair was so beautiful. All I had to do was brush it, y'all. Like, this is all I had to do was brush it. So by the time I finish brushing it and playing in it, it is time to go ahead and take this lace off. So go ahead and gently remove your lace band. I'm using an eyebrow archer. Be careful with whatever you're using. I have had times where I have slightly cut myself. But I'm just going to go ahead and cut off all the excess lace. It did come with kind of like a widow's peak feel, so I just cut that off and go in again with a little bit more of that even to help with that white cast. And I did not tint the lace as well as I should have. It would have laid more seamlessly, but that helps for now. You guys see it's actually starting to blend in. I'm going to go back in with a little bit of foundation to go on top of that, and it actually helped. Y'all see that? It helped. It really did. So the next few clips will be me doing my baby hairs and also styling this hair. Oh my God, I love the style that I chose. So please keep on watching to see that, and I'll come back to you guys at the end. guys saw in the video, I didn't do much to this hair. I didn't have to bleach the knots. I didn't do anything like that. If you wanted to, you know, lay more seamlessly, I do recommend tinting the lace or, you know, bleaching the knots. But for me, she worked out pretty good. And I love this color, y'all. It's like it's a beautiful mixture of like fall. It's giving fall. I decided just to style it in just this cute little pullback. The middle was already giving me, put me back. So I just kept her going how she wanted to be, and this is the final look that I got. I am very pleased. I love the hair quality. Didn't even have to straighten it. This is how she came out of the box. You guys saw me kind of hot comb the roots just because of the style that I have it in, but the ends look good. I look good. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a like. That helps me know, you know, did you like the video? And also, while you're down there, comment down below, what do you guys think of this hair? Do you like the color? Do you wear color? Why not? You know, I'm getting on the color train because it's so cute. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel to come take off with me because we're gonna be on this journey together. But I'm at the point in the video where I'm about to go. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, beauty.